Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can flip a chart in TradingView, so let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful service which you can use to monitor stocks by creating a watch list and monitoring their prices, how they've changed and their last change, either in a full value or in a percent. You can view the charts of select stocks and other options, which you can then get information from, make predictions based on their market trajectory, and so on and so forth. And it is a very useful tool. You can also add indicators to these charts to make your information gathering easier, and so on and so forth. And you also have the option of actually trading those stocks, options, crypto, whatever you would like, if you are connected to a broker. Now, what you want to do to actually flip a chart is to first select the chart of your choice. I have currently selected Tesla. However, you can select whatever you would like, such as Netflix, Apple. Let's go into crypto. Let's select Bitcoin, Bitcoin per USD, Ethereum per USD, and so on and so forth. There is a lot of options, and this works for each of them. Let me just change the symbol for the trading. And yeah, to actually flip the chart, it is very easy. All you need to do is literally just click on Alt and click I. And as you can see, Alt plus I just flips the chart however you would like, either from lowest to highest or from highest to lowest. And you can just play around with this and pretty much configure it however you would like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.